Is the rap mogul behind Sean Diddy's big day is Friday, when the indicted rapper will appear before a new judge to make his bail arguments. P. Diddy says he should be let out of jail. Today we come with 5 reasons P. Diddy himself says he deserves freedom. Stay tuned because number 3 will leave you speechless. Sean Diddy Combs is one of the biggest names in the music and business industry. Now he faces the fight of his life. He is currently in federal custody after being indicted on multiple charges like racketeering, sex trafficking, forced labor, and obstruction of justice. The charges allege that he operated a criminal enterprise to exploit and abuse women over several years. Authorities also raided his properties in Miami and Los Angeles earlier this year, seizing evidence to support these claims. You will be shocked to know that Diddy has pleaded not guilty and is awaiting trial, which is recently scheduled for May 2025. Prosecutors argued against granting him bail, citing concerns about flight risk and potential witness intimidation. But from the courtroom to public opinion, Diddy lays out why he believes he shouldn't be locked up. Combs' attorneys submitted a bail request and argued a month before that he should be granted bail pre-trial release. One of the biggest intriguing arguments was that Combs asks why Mike Jeff was granted bail when he was released on bail. Even he was also recently arrested for sex trafficking in New York on federal charges. He dropped a big question: why does he get bail then? However, the hearing judge Subramanian warned prosecutors to distinguish Combs' case from Mike Jeff, former CEO of Abbey and Fitch, who was arrested and indicted on sex trafficking charges in New York. Jeff was granted $10 million bail, including home detention and GPS monitoring, while Combs offered $50 million bail with 24/7 monitoring and visitor logs. The speaker's argument for bail is based on similar charges, wealth, and 24-hour security, similar to how another CEO got out on bail, citing similar assurances from their lawyer. That's why now P. Diddy came with a new reason in front of a new judge. First up, Diddy's defense team says the evidence against P. Diddy is shaky at best. According to his lawyers, key pieces of evidence such as surveillance footage are blurry, inconclusive, or outright missing. Prosecutors also claim they have eyewitness testimony, but the defense argues these witnesses are unreliable. Is this a case of reasonable doubt, or is Diddy's team grasping at straws? Basically, eyewitness testimony can be persuasive in court, but it's also one of the least reliable forms of evidence. If the prosecution can't corroborate it with physical proof, the case may fall apart. Next, Diddy's team is also trying to point fingers at law enforcement. They're claiming evidence was mishandled, and worse, there's talk of fabricated documents. In fact, Diddy's legal team has filed a motion for an independent investigation into police practices surrounding the case. Well, if they can prove even one instance of misconduct, it casts doubt on the integrity of the entire investigation. It's a slippery slope for the prosecution. However, P. Diddy is leaning on his reputation as a philanthropist and community leader. We are all witnesses of his good deeds. Over the years, he's donated millions to education, relief efforts, and social justice causes. His defense team has lined up a star-studded list of character witnesses, think celebrities, politicians, and even activists, who are ready to vouch for his integrity. From hosting benefit concerts to funding scholarships, Diddy's contributions to society might paint him as someone who deserves leniency. But will the court see it that way? It is a big question. Diddy's 4th reason is personal. His legal team claims that he has underlying health conditions that make staying in jail a potential death sentence. They have cited examples of poor medical care in the facility and argue that house arrest would be a safer option. So, inmates with pre-existing conditions often struggle to receive adequate care. If Diddy's health is at serious risk, the court may consider alternative sentences. And finally, Diddy's team says this entire case is politically motivated. They're alleging that his high profile makes him a target and that certain parties, whether in business or politics, stand to gain from his downfall. Well, it wouldn't be the first time a powerful figure was taken down under suspicious circumstances. The question arises, can Diddy's team provide concrete proof of foul play? So there you have it, 5 reasons P. Diddy says he should be let out of jail. But will it work? Only time and the court will tell. Do you think Diddy deserves a second chance? Or is this just another case of a celebrity trying to dodge accountability? Are these reasons enough to set Diddy free, or should the law take its course? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We are curious to know about your opinion. Well, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more breaking stories. We will come with the latest update. Till then, goodbye.